me, Chloe. And if you hear any wrestling noises, it's just my brother watching some YouTube videos. Anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be trying out this crimper to make my hair like look wavy and stuff because my hair is just straight right now. But, so yeah. So first, what I'm doing, I have to brush my hair and take like a little piece, like a thin piece. So you see it, my hair is not that straight. It's kind of curly because I've done my hairstylist yesterday. She is a good friend with my grandpa, and she gave it to me because it doesn't work on her hair, and it's perfect on my hair, and it looks so curly. So I can't do it like a lot of times because it'll ruin my hair. So what you do is warm it up. So it's warm. I had to wait to make this video. Anyways, you have to put it in your hair, and it's hot, so yeah. I was scared she was gonna burn my hair off, so yeah. Do you see that difference? Oh. And kind of before then after. Oh my god. And it's warm, so I'm gonna try it again on the other side. I have to brush it out because I haven't brush it out because it's a little tangled on this side. And then just do this. I'm gonna take a low piece right now. This is so cool. Wow. It's warm too, so it's nice. It kind of cools down for a little. And you want it to be on a surface where it won't burn because, well, it's hot. You don't want to put it on wood. You don't want to put it where water is because it'll electrocute. But look at that. I'm going to do some more. So let's go and brush this piece. Okay, let's take this piece. Ugh, it's kind of hard to do it by yourself. So shout outs to all those hairstylists and hair cutters, I don't know, salon people. Anyways, it's kind of hard because I don't want to ruin this one. So I got this. And I want to do a little look. I'm going to do another video after this one, so yeah. Okay. Look at that. Wow. I love it. Shout out to my hairstylist. She knows me since I was in kindergarten, so that's a long time. Wow. Before and after. I have to do a look in the next video. Okay, I'm gonna do a look. So I'm gonna turn this off real quick. I'll be right back. That guys. Anyways, so you see that hair? Wow, I love it so much. Okay, go on to my next video because I'll be doing a look. So see you guys. Bye.